Welcome to our conversation about achieving financial independence in your 20s. It's a topic that doesn't get nearly enough attention, but it's crucial to getting a head start on a comfortable and secure future. Imagine being in control of your instead of it controlling you. Think about the freedom that comes with not about paycheck to paycheck living. Understanding how to handle your finances early can set you up for success later in life. Free DEMA account opening links are available in the description below. The first step to financial independence is setting clear, realistic financial goals. So, what does this mean? It's about knowing where you want your finances to be and creating a roadmap to get there. This is where the SMART goal setting technique comes in handy. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's break this down. Specific means your financial goals should be well defined. For instance, instead of saying, I want to save more money, say, I want to save $10,000 in 2 years. Measurable means you can track your progress. Achievable is about setting goals that are within your reach. Relevant means your goal aligns with your overall financial plan. And time-bound means setting a deadline for your goal. Take a moment to think about your financial goals. Are they smart? And remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Now, let's talk about budgeting and tracking expenses, essential tools for financial independence. Think of budgeting as the roadmap to your financial goals. It's not about restriction, but about understanding where your money is going so you can make informed decisions. To make this process easier, there are numerous tools and apps available. These digital aids can categorize your spending, help you set savings goals, and even send you alerts when you're nearing your budget limit. Creating a budget might seem daunting at first, but it's simply about understanding your income, your fixed expenses, and your variable expenses. Once you've got a grasp on these, you can allocate your remaining income towards your financial goals. Remember, the key to success is consistency. Make it a habit to track your expenses and adjust your budget as needed. Budgeting isn't about limiting yourself. It's about making the things that excite you possible. Investing early is a powerful way to build wealth over time. When it comes to investing, time is your greatest ally. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. But where should you begin? There are various investment options suitable for young adults. Stocks, for instance, offer the potential for high returns, although they come with a degree of risk. Index funds, on the other hand, provide a more diversified and less risky approach to investing in the stock market. Now, let's not forget about retirement accounts. While retirement may seem a long way off, contributing to these accounts early and often can lead to significant financial benefits down the line, thanks to the magic of compound interest. This is essentially interest-earning interest, and over time, it can turn even small initial investments into substantial sums. Remember, the best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is now. Having multiple income streams can accelerate your journey towards financial independence. Think about it this way: if you rely on one source of income, what happens if that source dries up? It's like putting all your eggs in one basket. But if you diversify your income, you're spreading the risk and increasing your earning potential. Now, let's talk about side hustles. These are small jobs or tasks you can take on outside of your main job. It could be anything from dog walking, freelance writing, or even selling handmade crafts online. The key is to find something you enjoy and can do in your spare time. Freelance work is another great way to boost your income. If you have a specific skill set, like graphic design or coding, you can market those skills and take on projects that fit your schedule. Passive income, on the other hand, is money you earn with little to no daily effort. This could be through rental properties, stock dividends, or even a blog that generates ad revenue. Don't wait for opportunity, create it. Managing and reducing debt is a critical part of achieving financial independence. It's all about being proactive. Start by understanding your debt, know what you owe, to whom, and at what interest rates. Next, prioritize your debts. Typically, it's wise to tackle those with the highest interest rates first. Consolidating your debt can also be a smart move. It can simplify your payments and potentially reduce your interest. Remember, don't let your debt define you. Take control of it before it controls you. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today about achieving financial independence in your 20s. Start by setting clear, achievable financial goals. Then, budget and track your expenses diligently. Remember, investing early is critical, as is exploring additional income streams to boost your earnings. Lastly, manage your debts wisely. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, the journey towards financial independence starts with the first step. We encourage you to take that step today.